Hyundai has unveiled the Inster, an all-electric vehicle that promises to revolutionize urban mobility with its compact design, impressive range, and eco-friendly credentials. Dubbed the electric Casper, the Inster combines Hyundai's commitment to sustainability with practicality, offering drivers a versatile and efficient solution for navigating city streets and beyond. At the heart of the Hyundai Inster is its electric powertrain, engineered to deliver a seamless driving experience with zero emissions. The Inster boasts a range of up to 220 miles on a single charge, making it well-suited for daily commutes, city exploration, and occasional longer trips without the need for frequent recharging. The design of the Hyundai Inster reflects a blend of modern aesthetics and functional efficiency. Its compact dimensions and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through tight urban spaces, while its distinctive styling cues and LED lighting signatures ensure it stands out on crowded city streets. Inside, the Hyundai Inster offers a comfortable and connected driving environment. The cabin features premium materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls designed to enhance driver and passenger comfort. Advanced infotainment and connectivity features keep occupants entertained and informed throughout their journey. Hyundai has equipped the Inster with advanced safety and driver assistance technologies to provide peace of mind on every drive. Features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking help drivers navigate traffic and unexpected situations with confidence. The Hyundai Inster's commitment to sustainability extends beyond its electric powertrain. The vehicle is designed with eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes aimed at minimizing its environmental footprint throughout its life cycle. This holistic approach aligns with Hyundai's vision of creating a more sustainable future for mobility. As Hyundai prepares to launch the Inster, anticipation grows among eco-conscious drivers and urban dwellers alike. The Inster represents Hyundai's dedication to innovation and meeting the evolving needs of modern consumers who prioritize sustainability without compromising style or performance. Looking ahead, Hyundai continues to innovate and expand its electric vehicle lineup, building on the success of the Inster to introduce more eco-friendly models that cater to diverse lifestyles and preferences. By harnessing the power of electric mobility, Hyundai aims to lead the charge towards a cleaner, more sustainable automotive future while delivering vehicles that inspire and empower drivers around the world.